Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just going to go ahead and do the review here of the Stampin' Up! Trimmer. And then I'll show what I got later on. Because it hasn't come in yet. I think it's coming in today. Like I said, it has a 6-inch wide base here to cut on. Technically, you know, like I said, there's your 6 right there. Well, like right there. And then 6 1/8 has the corner here. There's 6 1/2 and 7, and it goes all the way up to just a little over 17 inches, about 17 1/2 inches there. It's very sturdy. Doesn't move around on you. You have measurements here to 12 inches on the side of the ruler. You got measurements here in the middle and down here at the bottom so that you can make sure that your cardstock is completely lined up. Say I wanted to cut here at 4 3/4. I could do that. Line it up. So I'm going to use the black trimming blade. Oh, that cuts like butter. Look how smooth. Oh. Okay, so now I want to see what it scores like. Okay, let's move it to the 5-inch mark here and score. And I've seen people do it a couple of times. Oh yeah, very nice. So mountains become valleys. Oh yeah. Very smooth. You may just want to do it one time on thinner cardstock. So I'll try it here just once. Move that over to the 5-inch mark. So one time. Oh yeah, very nice. So on thinner cardstock you can do it the one time and it folds beautifully. And of course you can take your bone folder and flatten it out, but it's thinner cardstock, so it's alright. But I want to try it on the thicker cardstock. Let me grab a piece of the Blackberry Bliss here. Only because I happen to be right there on my in my grasp here. So if it's 11, 5 1/2, so we can score it at 5 1/2. Okay. Oh yeah, very nice. And then I can trim at 4 1/4. There's 4 1/4. Oh, may have to do that one more time to go through. There we go. Okay. And I can use these as top folding cards or cards this way. I think you're actually supposed to score at 4 1/4 and trim at 5 1/2. But that's okay. I've got 2 card bases here for flip open cards. So we'll try, move this up, 4 1/4. We will score at 4 1/4. Okay. Excellent. And then trim at 5 1/2. This is just 8 1/2 by 11 cardstock. Okay. And now I have cards that go this way. 2 card bases. So very nice. Trims very smooth. Like I said, the replacement blades for the trimmer come in a 4-pack, which I think is wonderful for the price, $9. And if you are a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you get it with a discount. I think it's like $7 for 4 of them. And you can get replacement score blades. They'll be back in September. So if you're doing, like, say, fun fold cards with the ruler on the side here, you could technically, like where it's scored at, if you wanted to trim and score, you could, you know, move the blade up before you sink it to do any special cuts or anything else like that. I'm not going to, because I'll probably use these in the future. Yeah, very, very good trimmer. I like that. I like that you can keep both blades in, because in my Fiskars you can't. You cannot leave both blades in. Now Stampin' Up! Does sell bone folders, but since I have quite a few, I'm not going to purchase a bone folder. But if you're new to card making and you want that sort of stuff, they have that. They have like embossing tools, like styluses. They have a scoreboard itself if you don't want the trimmer. It does measure in 1/8 increments. I know that. I don't have it, but I do know that it does, because Turtle has one. I absolutely love this little guy here to pick up embellishments with. It's got the sticky end. And it comes out. Don't need that much sticky in there. I must have moved it around. But like, you can pick up like googly eyes with it, gems, sequins, that sort of thing. And it comes with the ends I've shown you, little spatula end, and the little pokey tool. Like if you have dies or whatever, you can use a pokey tool to get any of the little dies out. They also have like the brush that you can purchase for that as well. And then it also comes, you can also buy other attachments for the end of this here. A scoring wheel, not scoring wheel, a cutting wheel, like a rotary cutter. Can't remember the rest of what comes there, but I do know a rotary cutter, and then it's something else. But it's not coming to me right now exactly what it is. I don't remember. They also sell like fussy cutting scissors that I've heard is really good. A lot of people swear by them if they get them. I'm told they work just as well, if not better, than cutter bees. I don't own either one of them, so I'm not really sure. I'm very happy with the scissors that I have right now. I don't fussy cut with these, generally. You can, but I don't. But they're sharp, they're good scissors. I've got replacements of these when these get dull, because I don't know if you can sharpen those very good. And I also have these ones that I like, that I can fit my whole hand in there, in both of them. So, and I have a smaller pair of the Tim Holtz ones. I generally use those for the sewing though, when I'm sewing. Yeah, so I just wanted to share my thoughts on the trimmer. It's very good. It's very accurate because I did take a ruler and measure my two guillotines, the Crafter's Companion one that I had, and the other one that I was gifted to show, which is super sharp. They both cut excellent, but they were not accurate in their measuring. It said inches, but it was actually centimeters. So it was throwing everything off. In case you're wondering why I went back to my cutting mats, it's because my daughter has the glass mat that she is using with her knitting machine that I bought for her, that she's learning on, but it slides around on her desk, so I let her use the glass mat because it doesn't slide on it. You're more than welcome to order from me if you choose to. You don't have to. I'm not here to make any money off doing this or anything else like that. I just signed up mainly to get the discount because I liked quite a few of their products and wanted to try some of the new ones that I hadn't tried yet, like their cardstock and pattern paper and stuff, and I gotta say that I am pretty pleased with that. I am also told that we don't know the release date as of yet. I'm figuring it's going to be probably mid to end of September. We're actually going to get Halloween pattern paper in, but it's not featured in the mini catalog. They didn't have it ready for that, so be on the lookout for that. I could send you a regular catalog, but not all of the products are in the regular catalog, so your best option is to just shop online through Stampin' Up. Because all of the projects that they have are listed on the website, so it's just easier to do it that way. Same as with the mini catalog. The mini catalog isn't going to show everything that they have, so it's better to just wait until September 4th when it comes up, so you will have that. I know it seems like I'm pushing products right now. I'm really not. I was just, in case anybody is in the market for a new trimmer, I just wanted to show you guys because, you know, if you want a trimmer, you need to invest in a good one. It could be a little bit more expensive to do so, but then you want to pay for one that's worth it. And I believe they have a 3-year warranty on them. I do know their die cutting machine has a 3-year warranty also, and they will replace it, no problem, should you have any issues with it. But it cuts accurately, it scores beautifully, it's sturdy, it measures out to almost 17¼ inches, so I really have no complaints on that one, because I like, you know, 'cause sometimes your 12 by 12 paper is a little generous and you get more than 12 inches. Well, you can't really measure accurately on there if your trimmer only goes to 12 inches. You know, sometimes you have paper that's larger than 12 inches, so I like that they included a larger base for, or arm for that. Also, I like that the base is 6 inches wide. So if you are card making, then you don't need to pull out the ruler or anything, and you've got plenty of space to work on, and you can accurately measure that way. So I have no complaints with the trimmer. So, and I can show it on camera whenever I'm doing Stampin' Up stuff. It's kind of hard to do Stampin' Up stuff if you can't show that on camera. But yeah, whenever I get the rest of the products in that came, because you can choose your own stuff for your demonstrator kit that you want. I believe I picked pattern paper. I may have picked a stamp set. I know I picked a few ink colors that I didn't have. But yeah, you have the choice to pick whatever you want if you decide that you want to sell Stampin' Up stuff. You don't have to. But if you want the discount, hey, you might as well, you know, might as well take advantage of it, because you get a 20% off discount every time you order. So, and if you do sell through them, then your discount increases. So that's just something to keep in consideration. But yeah, I just wanted to review that, and then we will, when we come back, I think it's next Wednesday, we'll work on something else. So I will see you guys soon. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.